Watch their eyes light up as the glow races begin. This 210-piece track set transforms playtime with glowing curves and safe BPA-free materials. As a parent, I love how the glow-in-the-dark tracks spark creativity, while my toddler develops motor skills through every curve. No batteries needed, just pure, hands-on fun that keeps us racing after hours. Ready to unlock endless playtime magic? Click shop now before this glowing adventure sells out.